Good morning, my dear student. Today our topic is special products and expansion. The same unit, you have the exercise 3C. I continue the exercise. 8th sum. If x plus 1 by x is equal to 3, evaluate x minus 1 by x and x square plus 1 by x and x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. You just using the corollaries to find the answer. The apt corollaries you will find the answer. Very simple only. So corollary you will memorize this means you will find the answer easily. So these are the important sums for higher classes also. So some competitive exams also like this sums are asking. So x plus 1 by x is equal to 3 is given. So first you want to find x minus 1 by x. So opposite sign only you find means you have a formula, both a minus b and a plus b formula you have. So a minus b the whole square is equal to a plus b the whole square minus 4ab. So you will write a is nothing but your x and b is nothing but your 1 by x. So x minus 1 by x the whole square is equal to x plus 1 by x the whole square minus 4 into x into 1 by x. So x into 1 by x means x cancel. So you have x plus 1 by x, you know the value 3. So the 3 square minus 4. So 3 square is 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. So only you find the x minus 1 by x. So square come this side means it's a square root. So 5 square root is not to take the square because 5 is not a perfect square. So plus or minus root 5 is the answer. Next one, you want to find the x square plus 1 by x square. So x square plus 1 by x square means you know the formula a square plus b square is equal to a plus b the whole square minus 2ab. So using this formula, a plus b means x plus 1 by x the whole square minus 2 into x into 1 by x. X cancel. So this is like a x square plus 1 by x. This only you want to find the answer. So is equal to a plus b. That means x plus 1 by x whole square means 3 square minus 2. 3 square is 9. 9 minus 2 is 7 is the answer. The next one, x square plus 1 by x. You want to find the x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. So using the formula a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So you will take the a means x square, b means 1 by x square. So x square plus 1 by x square the whole square is equal to x square of square plus 1 by x square the whole square plus 2 into x square plus 1 by x square. X square and square cancel in numerator and denominator. So x square plus 1 by x already know the value of 7. So 7 square is equal to x square of square is x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 plus 2. So x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. This 2 come this side. So 49 minus 2 is 47. So x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 is equal to 47 is the answer. Next one, 9th sum. If 3p plus 1 by 3p is equal to 2 root 3, evaluate 3p minus 1 by 3p. Second subdivision, 9p square plus 1 by 9p square and 81p power 4 plus 1 by 81p power 4. The same only using the corollaries is the main. So plus is given, you find the minus means the same. A minus b the whole square is equal to a plus b the whole square minus 4ab. Using the formula, a is nothing but 3b and b is nothing but 1 by 3p. So 3p minus 1 by 3p the whole square is equal to 3p plus 1 by 3p the whole square minus 4 into 3p into 1 by 3p. 3p is cancelled. So you know the value of 3p plus 1 by 3p is 2 root 3 the whole square minus 4. So 2 square means it is a 4. Root 3 the whole square means the root will be cancelled. The only 3 will came. So 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. But you want only the 3p minus 1 by 3p. The square comes this side. It's a square root. Taking the square root, 4 2s are 8. 4 having the perfect square 2. The remaining 2 is not to take any square root. So the answer is plus or minus 2 root 2. The next one, second formula, a square plus b square is equal to a plus b the whole square minus 2ab. So use the a is 3p the whole square plus 3p 1 by 3p the whole square equal to 3p plus 1 by 3p whole square minus 2 into 3p into 1 by 3p. 3p cancel. So this one is having the square. You take 9p square plus 1 by 9p square. This only you want to find. So equal to 3p plus 1 by 3p, you have a 2 root 3 whole square minus 2. So you take the square, it's at 12 because 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 2 you get 10. So answer is 10. The next one, you want the 81p power 4. That means the 9p square is squared again means you get the 81p power 4. So you take 3p, 9p square plus 1 by 9p square, the whole square is equal to 9p square of square plus 1 by 9p square of square plus 2 into 9p square plus into 1 by 9p square. These two are cancelled. So this one having the square, you know the value of this 10. So 10 square is equal to 9 will be squared 81. P square of square means a p power 4. So 81p power 4 plus 1 by 81p power 4 plus 2. So this 2 come this side. So 100 minus 2 will get 98. So answer is 98. The same of 8th and 9th sum model, you will find that 10 and 12, the formulas having the signs will be changed. So using the appropriate formula to find the answer. Next one, go to the 12th sum. If r square plus 1 by r square is equal to 7, evaluate r plus 1 by r and r minus 1 by r. So square is given, you find the single number. So it is like a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Because a square and b square is that, so you have the a plus b also there. So you substitute that r plus 1 by r the whole square is equal to r square plus 2 into r into 1 by r plus 1 by r square. So this r and r cancel. You will combine these two number, r square plus 1 by r square plus 2. So you will write in simultaneous. So r plus 1 by r the whole square is equal to r square plus 1 by r square plus 2. So this having the value 7. So 7 plus 2 is getting 9. So r plus 1 by r only 1. So square goes that side. So square root of 9. It's a plus or minus 3. Square taking the square root means answer is plus or minus you take. So r plus 1 by r is equal to value is plus or minus 3. Next, using the minus formula, you substitute this r minus 1 by r the whole square is equal to r square plus 1 by r square minus 2 into r into 1 by r cancel. So you will take this one also r and r cancel, this one also r and r cancel. Okay, r minus 1 by r whole square is equal to 7 minus 2, but you know the value r square plus 1 by r is equal to 7. So 7 minus 2 is 5. So taking the square root, so r minus 1 by r is equal to plus or minus root 5. This same model, 13th sum also the same model. So you copy down the 12th sum and do the 13th sum. The next one, 14th sum, x plus each of the following trinomial as a perfect square. So 1 plus 6b plus 9b square. You will make it to find the perfect square. So it's like using the formula to write. The first number and last number first you will write means the center number will automatically arrange. So first number is 1. 1 will written as 1 square is also the 1 only. 9b square is nothing but it's the 3b the whole square. Now a square and b square is came. In center of the part you have the plus only. So plus 2 into a having 1, b having 3b. So you will check this 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 6 into b 6b. So it's correct only. So it's like a square plus 2ab plus b square. So answer is a plus b the whole square. The same of this 4x square minus 12x plus 9. So first you consider 4x square, 2x the whole square. 9 is 3 square. In center you have minus. So minus 2 into 2x into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 12 into x, 12x. It came correctly. So it's like a minus b the whole square. So a is 2x, b is 3. The same of this 9x square is written as 3x the whole square. 16y square is written as 4y square. In center part you have a plus 2 into 3x into 4y. 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24. It's also correct. So 24xy. So it's a 3x plus 4y the whole square. The last one 3x by 5 the whole square, because 9 having the 3 square, 25 having the 5 square. So 3x by 5 the whole square. The last one is y square by 4. So y by 2 the whole square. In center part you write minus 2 into 3x by 5 into y by 2. These two are cancelled means the remaining is 3xy by 2. The same only. So it's like a 3x by 5 minus 4y by 2 the whole square. This is today class children. Everyone copy down this every sum. So I give the 3 sum homework. So everyone do this 3 sum and take the photocopy of that homework 3 sum and send it in the task completed time. So everyone send the task completed regularly. So thank you children to watching the video.